Many people keep goats because of different purposes and on different scales, because some of them are small scales, having 2 goats, 3 goats, others on a moderate scale having 50, 60, others on a big scale 100, 200, 500, 10,000. Those are different things. But now, if you want to be a commercial farmer, there are certain things that you have to do, and they have to be at your farm to show us, or to show that you're serious with the business, or you are ready to do commercial farming, because commercial farming encompasses of a lot of things that we are going to discuss today. So this serious farmer constructed his 700 goat structure at his farm to see that he can really do a serious commercial farming. So before we go any other further, please just keep in touch with us, as we shall be taking you through all the things that we did on this structure until it is done. Thank you.
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity to welcome each and everyone. Please, if you're new to our channel, mind to tap the subscribe button and the notification bell such that we give you everything that you need in livestock keeping, especially goats and cattle. We are working on goats and cattle currently, but we shall be expounding to other various sectors, poultry and other sectors as we shall be communicating to you. Now, today I have something I want to unveil to you and show you how it's going to be working. You come with me. This is a structure of 700 goats. It is having a capacity of 600, but with a balcony of 100 more. The reason why I'll be showing it to you. Why we decided to include a balcony. Our timber, as usual, we protected it. You show them. We protected it from water, underground water, with a DPC material and a concrete skirting, and also we treated it, so it is well protected. We shall not be disturbed by termites and also rotting of the timber. So now this is the ramp. The reason why we put such ramps, we need, if someone is walking, as you can see me here, I'm walking very steadily. Not everyone is a youth. Some people are having some certain diseases, but it is just for supporting someone to move. Yeah, you come with me as I'm taking you inside our complex. I call it a complex. Yeah, and I'm happy that we are done with it. This is our door, of course, very well and very hard. Since we are dealing with animals, we're not dealing with people. Some people may say that, why are you putting heavy or big or very hard? Yeah, we are dealing with animals. Animals, I know how they behave and I know how they react with such. So now we are inside. We are inside, having different partitions, having a balcony. So these are the labelings. We used this because this is full time. It will not, if you put ink can easily get off, but we use the what, you can see if someone needs it, you can also make it at your farm for labeling. This is an iron sheet, but we cut it and we see that we put in such words. You see, it is a balcony. So the entrance, we have in two entrances of the balcony, but this is the first one. Now the reason why we decided to include this balcony is if we are sweeping or if you are cleaning one partition or one portion of the structure, then it would be easier for these goats to come to the balcony. They come to the balcony as we are cleaning there. Then after cleaning there, then we can take them back and we also clean the balcony. This is like a resting area. The reason why we put it in the same roofing, we need it to be roofed, and all the necessities are in here. So this is just for resting of our goats when they are still inside here before even moving outside. So now that is number one. Number two, we are having a breastfeeding mothers. This is for our mothers that are breastfeeding. Remember, this structure is for female only, not even males. So this is for breastfeeding. Our breastfeeding mothers will be staying in here. As you can see it very well, aligned with their feeders. If you are giving them some supplements or some food, we put in here because the person has to access from the other corridor, and they put in, the goats will be feeding from there, as you can see it very well. Yeah, so now that is number two. Number three, this is the partition for the kids. Our kids will also be staying here. Are you seeing? Our kids will also be staying here. They'll be, we shall make sure that we put dry grass inside here, and this tarpaulin here, it is protecting our kids from harsh weathers such as rain and all the necessary bad weathers that usually hit us. So now that is number three. Number four, I want to show you I want to show you the corridor. This is the kids partition. Also, it is well labeled, as you can see it very well. And now this is the
corridor for our goats. This is where a person who is serving them, where he usually passes. There is not any entrance of these goats in here of the corridor, so it is well large enough for someone to take the feeds and start supplying the goats supplements, just supplements, because these feeders are not enough for 700, but we just supplement them by putting different supplements for them. Yeah, so basically those are the four partitions that we do have here. We have the balcony, we have the breastfeeding mothers, we have the kids, we have the general flock containing nannies and these pregnant mothers that are not yet due, and the isolation. So there is no male section because the males will not be allowed here except in the breeding season, whereby they will be moving with the nannies and these other producing mothers, since we want to do natural synchronization. So we urge you farmers that you need this setup, you need such planning, because the venture that you enter or you have entered, you need to be really very serious about it, and you see that you don't fail in this business. So if you need this, please contact us via our our WhatsApp or any other contact that you may look or for us, you come to our website. We have such designs, beautiful designs that will help you also do commercial goat farming at any level that you would like to do it. So please, thank you for watching Kimdi Construction and Farm Consultants Limited, and I would ensure to I will endeavor to show you each and everything, because now this is stage 1, but we shall also work on the playground. We shall also connect water, cameras, such that everything is set. Until then is when our animals will come in and they start enjoying their new environment. Yes, I would like to say bye for now. Thank you.